When you're off the beaten track, protecting your 4x4 engine is everything. Contaminated diesel can leave you stranded. That's where Direction Plus steps in. The Direction Plus Ryco pre-filter kit is your first line of defence against water and particle contamination. Installed before the factory filter, it removes 99% of water and large contaminants before they ever reach your engine. Each kit comes complete, all parts included. No guesswork, just everything you need. Engineered to fit seamlessly into your setup with no special tools required. Designed, engineered and assembled in Australia. Whether you're touring the outback or crawling through creek beds, Direction Plus has your back. Drive further, worry less. Available now at directionplus.com.au.